In this video, I want to give you a step-by-step guide on how you can buy this newest estate in town, which is the TIARA estate right in IBEJU Lekki, which is actually owned by the owners of Amen Estate Phase 1, Amen Estate Phase 2, Amen Estate Phase 3, and Amen Estate Phase 3 extension. Please kindly stay till the end of this video as I give you the step-by-step guide on how you can buy into this TIARA estate. I want to appreciate you for coming back to this channel. If you always come back to watch this fan channel, I'm not taking you for granted. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And if you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe, because you just discover a channel that will give you the latest information on Lagos real estate, an estate where you can, a channel that will tell you which estate you can invest your money, and the money will appreciate very, very fast. My name is Dennis Isong, and I want to appreciate you for coming back to my channel, and for my wonderful, excellent, and wonderful clients who have been buying my property, especially those of you in abroad. Thank you so much for always coming and buying my property. Some of you have not even seen me. Some of you have not even seen me physically, but you trust me and you decide to buy property that I recommend. Oh God. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I'm not taking you for granted. Please, anytime you come down to Nigeria, just tell me. Let me just do something for you. At least that's my own way of telling you thank you so much. I appreciate you. So please kindly stay till the end of this video, and you'll be glad that you do, as I give you this step-by-step guide on how you can buy into this estate, the TIARA estate right in IBEJU Lekki, by the owners of Amen Estate Phase 1, Phase 2, Phase 3, Phase 3 extension. Please kindly stay till the end of this video. I've done a couple of videos about this estate, the TIARA estate right in IBEJU Lekki, and I know which you've watched. For you to watch this video, I mean that you've watched the first, second, third video I've done on this video, on this estate, TIARA estate. So today I want to give you the step-by-step guide on how you can actually take advantage of the pre-launch price, which is going for 12 million naira. It's going for 12 million naira. So you can take advantage by first step one is this. You need to have in mind that there are two payment plans available. There is 0 to 30 days available, which is you are paying outright. That's called outright, which is 12 million naira. Then the other thing you need to be aware also, there's 31 days to 6-month payment plan, which means that you are paying extra 1 million naira, which is you are paying 13 million naira for that. Have that in mind. That is that. Another fee which you need to be aware of this, you are paying 5% of the money you pay for land. You are paying 5%. 5% of 12 million naira. That is if you are doing outright payment. But if you are doing 6-month payment plan, you are paying 5% of 30 million naira. Have that in mind. And that 5% cover your deed of assignment, and also cover your your survey, your deed of assignment and survey. That is what it covers. Then the last fee, which is not yet determined, is the estate development, which is not yet determined. That is what you need to be aware. Then how do you purchase? It's simple. Step one, the number you're seeing on the screen. What you need to do is for you to copy that number. Then you can WhatsApp me and any of those numbers. Then what I will send to you, just tell me you want to buy into this TIARA estate. I will send you the form. You fill the form and send back to me. Then on that form, you will see the account details, Amen City account details. You see Amen City Limited, the account details. That is where you should pay the money. You're not paying the money to me. I'm making sure that your transaction go easily. So you are paying the money to Amen City account, or you will see Amen City account, or you see red brick. These are the two account statements that you will see on that account, on that form. Then you can pay in dollar or you can pay in naira. If you are paying in naira, you can pay normal price. But if you want to pay in dollar, you have to let me know so I can confirm the current exchange rate and let you know so I can pay in dollar. That's the first. That's the second thing to do. The first thing I said, copy the number on the screen, inbox me. The step 2, I will send you the form. Then you fill the form and send back. That is the second step. Then the third step, you make the payment into the account. When you make the payment into the account, then step 3 or step 4, you send me the payment slip which you've made the payment. Then I will go ahead and process your document and make sure that you get your statement of what we call receipt. You get your receipt and your statement of account, which means that you've deposited X amount. If you are doing outright, you've deposited 12 million now. If you are paying your first 2 million now, you've deposited 2 million now. You will get it in your statement and it will be sent to your email. That is just all. That is just how you can get land in this TIARA estate. It's as simple as that. There's no big deal about it. This is a step-by-step guide on how you can actually buy into this TIARA estate. And mind you, this estate has CFO. It is facing the Lekki Ekpe Expressway. It's actually before the Alaro City, and it's 5 minutes drive from Amen Estate Phase 3 extension. So the question is, when are you buying into this property? I'm waiting. Copy the number on the screen now and give me a WhatsApp message or give me a call. Let's start from there. That is how to go about it. My name is Isong. What I do is I give you information on properties in Lagos that have the potentials of appreciating very well. And that is why I'm giving you this estate, Amen Estate. No, this estate, TIARA Estate, right in IBEJU Lekki. Thank you so much. I'm waiting for your call. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.